Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Hip joint or pelvis. Pelvis hip bone is already seen. Upper end of the femur, head of the femur appears by half to 1 year, and the head of the femur fuses by 17 to 18 years. Lesser trochanter appears by 4 years and fuses by 7 to 18 years. Greater trochanter appears by 12 to 14 years and fuses by 17 to 18 years. So the best X-ray to determine the age of 17 to 18 years is the hip joint. Hip joint is also the best X-ray for 20 to 21 years. By upper end of femur, because iliac crest, ischial tuberosity, all these fuses by 21 years of age. So hip joint is the best X-ray for determination of 20 to 21 years of age.
thank you and thank you for watching.